Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a DIY project that's small, simple, and packs a surprising punch. We're going to build something that's perfect for beginners and seasoned DIYers alike. The goal? To create a functional and useful item, using minimal resources and effort. First, let's talk about the small aspect. This project is designed to be compact, fitting comfortably in a small space. Whether you live in a tiny apartment or just want to minimize clutter, this build is perfect. You won't need a large workshop or a ton of materials. This is all about efficiency and smart design. Next up, simple. We're aiming for a build that doesn't require advanced skills or specialized tools. The instructions will be easy to follow, and the process will be straightforward. No complex wiring diagrams or complicated joinery here. The simplicity ensures that anyone can complete this project, regardless of their experience level. This is perfect for a weekend project. Now, for the surprisingly powerful part. This DIY build, while small and simple, will deliver excellent performance. We'll focus on maximizing the functionality of each component, ensuring that the final product is both effective and efficient. This project aims to challenge the common assumption that size and complexity equate to power. Now, let's talk about the materials. You won't need much. We'll be using readily available, inexpensive components. This keeps the cost down and makes the project accessible to everyone. We're talking basic hardware, some common tools, and potentially a few optional upgrades. The exact list will depend on the specific build we're doing, which we'll get into shortly. Next, the tools. Again, we're keeping it simple. You'll likely need a screwdriver, a measuring tape, and possibly a drill. If you have a pair of pliers and a saw, it may come in handy as well. But even without these tools, you can still get the job done. The focus is on using what you have and making smart choices along the way. So, what exactly are we building? Well, that's the exciting part. We're keeping the details under wraps until the next video. But trust me, it's going to be a fun project that you'll be able to use daily. It could be something like a charging station, a small speaker, or maybe a compact storage solution. The possibilities are endless. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll go through the step-by-step instructions. We'll cover everything from gathering the materials to the final assembly. We'll also provide tips and tricks to make the process even easier. And, of course, we'll showcase the finished product in action. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you don't miss out on the next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.